Hey everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. Today we're going to talk about stuff that we get questions on all the time. What do we have for hardwood floors that's going to make them look really nice and easy to use? Obviously we have cordless vacuums. That's a little bit more expensive. We have the cordless mops, the shampooers and the steamed mops and all that type of stuff. Those get a little bit more pricier, over a couple $100 depending on what kind of model you get and things like that. For a really good, easy solution, which is what I use in my home for my hardwood floors, that's safe for tile, hardwood, laminate, basically pretty much any hard floor surface, is Bona. Bona is something we've been selling for a very long time. They have a wide range of products, different types of attachments and different types of scrub floors, like for the microfiber pads. They have the regular scrubbing stuff. They also come with the ones that actually have this one has the tank on it, so you just basically have a trigger that you squeeze and it squirts the water out as you're mopping. You have other ones that's a little bit less cheap, less expensive. Basically, you just spray it on the, you put the stuff on the floor and then you mop it up. Those come with just multi-use pads. We sell all the replacement pads. These are washer safe, so you can actually take this pad off and wash it when it gets a little cruded up, and then eventually you have to replace them. We sell all the cleaning solution, all the stuff for them. So if you guys are looking for a really good hardwood floor cleaner and a good mop that's going to make them look really nice, clean all the floors, put a nice shine on them, Bona. I would suggest Bona. It's a very good product. We sell them here at both of our locations. You can check us out on our website at www.acevacuums.com. If you order directly from our website, we can ship it out to you guys. If you have any questions, give us a call or stop by our store. Thank you guys, and if you have questions, let us know. Thank you. Have a great day.